I'm baking up super tarts filled with Meyer lemon curd and fresh fruits. They're sweet, simple, and as the name implies, super. Room temperature butter, about 1/3 cup of sugar. I want to put those egg yolks in. Actually, I can put the speed up a little bit higher now. There we go. Okay, so in goes the 1 yolk. There's 2 yolks. Just a little touch of some vanilla. There we go. And this right here, this lemon curd that we're gonna make and the fresh berries, I think you'll dig it. There's the flour. Okay. Every time. In amazement, I am gonna grab the 1/2 cup and actually do it exactly 2 1/2. And there we go. Now, see how it's starting to bind up there a little bit? You can really hear that mixture starting to work. I'm gonna take this out, wrap it in some plastic, pop it in the fridge for about an hour, bring it out before I'm ready to work with it. So let's zest in some of the Meyer lemon. You should smell it right now. It smells like perfume. So we get that in. Go ahead and cut these, and they're soft and super ripe. And I'm gonna get this the lemon juice in there. I'm looking for about 3/4 cup. Not exact science in this part as much as when I do the dough. Okay. Could have done these ahead of time. Okay. Compost that. Also, 3/4 cup of sugar is gonna go into this. And again, this is all going for these super tarts. Get a 1.5 sticks of the butter in. Okay, boom, boom, boom. Oh, eggs. Last piece here. There we go. 1 egg, 2, and 3. Now, going over the double boiler, this is the tricky part, is don't want to get it too hot and too fast. I'm not looking to make an omelet, and that's the reason I'm doing it in a double boiler, is because if you try to do it right in a pan, no matter how much you really control the temperature, it could just get away from you. So I'm gonna take this and just nicely, under nice heat, and this is just a slight simmer on that water, let that butter melt into that. Now the dough is really nice and soft, and actually if it gets too soft, it really starts to, gets too warm, it'll start to break apart on you, but it's not too cold to where it's really hard to work. And I want to get this right about here. That's right about what I'm looking for, okay? About 1/8 of an inch. Pop that down, give myself a little cutout like that. My little tart shell here, throw it on. Press it down in first to the sides, run it around the sides. There we go. Crimp off the top of it. I bust these out. Little fork holes here so it doesn't puff up on me. Rocking out some Meyer lemon tarts, topping them off with a little garnish of some fresh California produce. What do you think of that? Baked it right up here with those Meyer lemons. You should smell that. And nice and a little dollop of some cream. And that is set.